So we have a slightly interesting situation over here with Voltas, and this stock has recently given a nice breakout. And the interesting part is that there are not one but two patterns visible. So for short term, you can clearly see after breaking from the 1120, 1140 level, there is a clear double bottom that is surely visible, and we have amazing buying volume. You can see it's just rising, a lot of buying happening in this area, so that's quite strong. Apart from this big buying, there's a lot of small buying. That's again positive green bars showing that a lot of interest has been generated and a good breakout. So that's one, and here based on this double bottom, we can get a rough target from 940 to let's say 1140. 1120 is fine, or you can consider 920 to 1120 as well. So 200 points roughly on the upside. So we get an easy target of 1320. Okay, so the first target is 1320, somewhere in that range. That's your target one. Okay, but the interesting part is along with this, there is also a higher time frame pattern that is been given. So if I switch to 2 years daily, I think that will be much more clearer. And you will see that there has been a straight rise from here. Okay, let me switch it to weekly so it's a little better visible. Yeah. So you see the strong up run and then a sideways movement and breakout and decent volume. But if you collectively look at it, I think there's positive volume more than this. Okay, but definitely daily is a good entry point for us. And now if you calculate as an SBT on a weekly chart, then we have a much higher target because this starts almost from 450 level. So 450 to 1120. Let me calculate. 1120 minus 450, 670 plus 1120. So we get 1790 as our target. Okay. So almost 1750, 1700 can be a comfortable target too as well. So here again, I will write buy. Now buying range, this stock has gone up to 1244. So I would want it at least below 1200 to somewhere between 1150 would be ideal. So we can wait for a slight pullback or a down market day. Most likely it will come back. Okay, then your target one is 1320, and target two we can keep as 1720 just to be conservative. Those who can hold can go for longer period of time as well. Now stop loss, I will keep it strictly below 900. Okay, so if it goes below 900, even 850 is a good stop loss, so that you have a lot of room for the stock to play. Sometimes pullback can be below this as well. And a side note on fundamental part of Voltas, AC market starts opening up in May when summers are there, but before that demand starts coming in Jan, Feb, March. That is where the manufacturers start anticipating demand. So slightly before the summers, the stock will start moving again. So at least you can hold it till that time. Definitely that can be an advantage. And trading in such time frames and with two, not just one but two pattern, gives you slightly higher probability of making profit as well. Now how do I execute on my actual trading platform? So I'm going to try to automate as much as possible. So for buying, I want to buy it around 1150 1200 range. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place order on my Sharekhan account. I'm going to put on Voltas. Okay, and I want it to come down to 1159. Okay, let's say that is my comfort range where I want to buy the stock. I'm going to buy 5 because that's based on my entire portfolio value. I only allocate about 5 to 10%, not more than that in each position. Now I'm going to use good for day volume. Now I'm going to use my GTD as validity. That means any day from today till 30th of September, if the stock corrects below, pulls back to 1159, my order will get executed. Okay, so this way I don't have to keep track of the price. Whenever stock comes down to this price, my order is going to get executed and 5 quantity would be bought in my portfolio. So I will place my order right away, confirm, and it's done. Okay. Now, once this order gets executed, and I can also place my sell order. So for example, if I go back to my current existing orders, or if I track my order, you can see for Route Mobile, I already have a pending sell order. Over here, you can see it's a sell order at 2450, which is a stock that I had figured out using chart pattern a couple of months back. Similarly, Godrej Industries, another position that I had taken. So once the position is on a buy, anytime during market hours, usually right now it's 11:30, but I try to do this around 10:30. I just place a pending order so that the decision making is taken out. I either get out at profit. I don't have to keep track of the stock all the time. So let's see how it turns out. Most likely, this is going to be a strong probability of hitting target, and I will update on the YouTube channel and on your course material as well how this stock fares out. Okay.